Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Today I have an iPhone XR. This back glass already was replaced and is broken again, but the second time is very easy to replacement. You can easily replace at home. I'll show you how you can replace it, but must be wear glasses or for protect your eyes. Without protect your eyes, don't do this work. We'll use this plate. This is already is gone. Look, it's very easily going to remove because the glue is not stronger than first glue. Original one was coming with the original glass. Look, it's easily going to remove. Yeah, second time or third time, fourth time, after first time, anytime if you change, it's very easy, or you can change at home. Is not hard. Because after the first one the glue is not stronger, that's why. This is the main reason. The main thing was stuck here, that's why. Look. It's gone. I wasn't expected this work will be easier this same like this. Look, see, it's all is done. Just check everywhere, don't have any little pieces or extra glue. After remove the glass, you can clean the old glue. This is the new glass. After then you can check one time. Okay, it's all is fine. Now I will put it the glue and after then put it back. After putting glue, just put the new back glass on the right place. After then put the glue, cover with rubber bands. Rubber, and you can use these holders as well. If you have these holders, you can use this, otherwise you can cover with the rubbers. Now stay in this condition for 1 hour. After 1 or 2 hours, remove all. And clean. After clean, now as you can see, the job is done. Hopefully guys, this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.